Hey guys, here is a 42-inch Casablanca Lady Delta ceiling fan in polished brass. This fan is from June 15th, 1987, and it was the 602nd fan made that day. I got this off of OfferUp. It came with no light kit, but because I like the K4S on the Lady Deltas, I put one on it. So I'm not really sure the blade finish. I think it's walnut. It does have a white hang true. You'll probably be able to see that when the fan's running. That did not come with it. It did come with its original canopy, but I'm just using the white one up there right now from another fan. But anyway, it works and everything. Here's the light. Light looks fine. There's the light, and here's the fan. Start with low speed. Has some slight bearing noise, but I think that's because it needs to break in a little bit more. The guy I got this from said that it was up high and he never used it, so he figured he might as well sell it. This is my first Lady Delta as well. Anyway, here's medium. There's a slight crackle in the bearings. I'm not sure if you can hear that, but it is there. And we'll kick it up to high speed. Of course, it takes off. It's in very good shape too. I cleaned it up some. Only really scratches are on top of the blades where he stacked the blades up together. Other than that, it's in great shape. But anyway, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video.